Target is NPDB, a database of preliminary analysis data of the impact of NSS-NPS on drug targets, drug metabolizing enzymes, and disease-associated genes in humans. By Sergio Amorim de Alencar, Eduardo Campos Santos, Andrely Martins Jose, Vera Lucia de Almeida, and Julio Cesar Dias Lopes. Aims: non-synonymous single nucleotide polymorphisms, NSS-NPS, are variations in DNA that can affect protein structure and function, and are known to cause various diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. For instance, changing glutamic acid to valine in the hemoglobin beta gene leads to sickle cell anemia. NSS-NPS found in genes associated with drug targets or drug metabolizing enzymes can influence how individuals respond to drugs and their susceptibility to certain diseases. Understanding NSS-NPS is essential for comprehending how genetic variations impact protein functionality and contribute to disease onset, which is crucial for accurate diagnosis and treatment decisions. Using computational tools to analyze protein sequence and structure data significantly increases the prediction efficiency of the impact caused by these NSS-NPS methods. The analysis results obtained from several computational tools such as SIFT, Polyphane, Autodoc, and GROMACS, relevant to the study of the impact of amino acid residue substitutions, were integrated into existing information records from the literature and genetic association databases. These tools enable the combination of results from a variety of different approaches to evaluate the potential impact of NSS-NPS on protein function. Results: we have developed TargetSunt, a comprehensive database that contains computational predictions of the structural and functional impact of NSS-NPS in human protein-coding genes, including drug target and drug metabolizing enzyme encoding genes. Conclusion: TargetSunt provides NSS-NP data, disease associations, and drug information. Molecular modeling helps understand genetic variations, drug responses, and diseases. Potential applications of TargetSunt include prioritizing NSS-NPS for association and experimental studies. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.